Long YouTube videos can be packed with useful information, but finding one answer inside a 2-hour podcast, lecture, or tutorial can take far too long. You scrub the timeline, skip ahead, lose context, and still wonder whether the useful part was missed. Instead of doing that, you can preview, navigate, and search the information already inside the video. This is usum, a Chrome extension that adds a focused panel alongside YouTube videos. It is built for anyone who wants the value from a video without first spending an entire afternoon searching through it. Getting started is simple. Open the Chrome Web Store, search for usum, choose the extension, and click Add to Chrome. In a few clicks, it is ready to use. Then open a YouTube video, and the usum panel appears alongside the player, ready to help you get to the useful parts faster. Start with key insights. You get a quick overview of the main ideas, with important points grouped together. It is a fast way to understand the direction of a video before committing to the full watch. This is especially helpful when a title promises a lot, but you only need one lesson, answer, or takeaway. Next, use time-stamped chapters. Scan the structure, select the topic you need, and jump straight to that moment instead of guessing where it might be. Looking for a specific word, question, or idea? Open the searchable transcript. Search a keyword, find where it appears, and click the line to move to that exact point in the video. You can quickly turn useful explanations into notes, study prompts, or research points. There is also a comment summary, which helps you see the main reactions, common questions, praise, and debate without scrolling through hundreds of replies. This can be useful for students taking notes, creators doing research, professionals learning a new skill, or anyone with a crowded watch later list. Of course, no summary replaces watching an important video carefully, but it can make it much faster to decide what is worth your time and find the part that matters. Try it on one long video you already plan to watch. The link and coupon code are in the description and pinned comment. Quick disclosure, this is a referral link, so I may receive referral credit or a commission if you choose to sign up through it. Use it only if it is genuinely useful for you. Would this save time for you? Let me know in the comments.